So in this episode I actually had some problems recording the audio since my mic was turned off. However, I will be voice-overing the instructions, and we will be installing the hard drive and the DVD drive in the following episode. So firstly, we will be installing the hard drive, and we do this by pulling out the hard drive cage. We take our hard drive and then we just place it into the cage. Some computers will not have cages in them, some of the PC cases, and you will have to install screws. However, most gaming cases will have toolless designs, and Cooler Master has some very succeeding designs on their part. So you just place the hard drive into the cage. Make sure all the screws are matching, or the tabs or whatever are matching with the hard drive holes. So once you have done that, you will just take your hard drive and place it into the PC case. After sliding in the hard drive into its socket, you just install the power cable, which I plugged in from your power supply, and then you install your SATA cable as well. So you just take your SATA cable and just plug it in to your hard drive, and that's it. That's how simple it is to install a hard drive onto your PC. So now we will be installing the optical drive, in this case a DVD drive. We do this by taking off the front panel off the our PC case, and then we just make sure it lines up with the side button, and just keep wiggling it around to see when the button can be pressed fully down. And once that happens, you have successfully installed your DVD drive into the case. Now all that is remaining is to install the cables for power and connectivity to the motherboard. So now we will be installing the cables into the DVD drive from the motherboard and the power supply. So you need two cables. One is a SATA cable that I just plugged in there right now, and the other cable is for power. And the SATA cable is connected to the motherboard, allowing your motherboard to recognize your DVD drive. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next episode.